All right, Pfizer has formally asked the FDA to authorize its COVID-19 vaccine for emergency use among children ages 5 to 11. So we could see young kids getting the vaccine by next month. But there is still concern for some moms and dads about vaccinating their kids. Joining us on the Lakeside Renovation and Design Weather Deck this morning is Eric Gooderijs. He is an associate professor of psychology at Webster University, here to talk about vaccine anxiety. Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, first we were talking about it literally for months among adults who were eligible to receive the vaccine, but now we're talking about kids. All right, first of all, does this subject matter come up in your classes when you're teaching?
Absolutely, yeah. I'm a developmental psychologist and a health psychologist, so this is something that really intersects those two subject matters for
right,
sure.
in your wheelhouse. So what is the overall, amongst your students, the overall message that they are conveying to you and vice versa?
I think for college students, it feels like this is a chance for a little bit of certainty anyway, maybe for their siblings or for adults in their lives as well, because this should also hopefully protect adults in our lives. But I think what we're doing in terms of faculty conversations, it's really just about gathering the information, vetting the information from reliable sources and that kind of thing.
But let's be honest, not everybody trusts even reliable information. So how do you get around that, especially if we're talking about shots for your kids, right? If a parent is anxious about it, how do you kind of pass it down or not pass it down to your children, that anxiety?
Yeah, I think that what we know is that, first of all, uncertainty has kind of defined this entire pandemic, right? We've just been uncertain,
Right.
facing uncertainty every day. So have our kids. So our kids are looking for some predictability. And I think that what we need to keep in mind as parents is that every successive generation of parents has had to deal with some kind of uncertainty, right? And if you remember in the mid-90s, the chickenpox vaccine, when that was authorized, parents had to do the same thing. They had to make a decision about if this vaccine is right for their kids, and no one really knew a whole lot about it. So we're being faced with that here as well. And I think what this can possibly do is give children and parents a little bit of peace of mind and a little bit of certainty in an otherwise uncertain situation.
Do you think it's a good idea for moms and dads to talk to their kids about this whole process, or is this just a parent's decision only?
No, I really believe, I think you can do it in developmentally appropriate ways, but I do think that you should get your child to buy into this. We want, just as we've done with mask wearing, just as we've done with social distancing with our kids, right, with their activities in schools, they don't do it if you just tell them to do it. You have to sort of educate them on why we're doing this and what the benefits are.
Could be teachable moments for sure.
I think so.
And we'll keep you posted on whether that emergency authorization goes through. So thanks for joining us today. We appreciate your time. All right, we're going to take a break and we'll be right back with more Fox 2 News in the morning.